Senior High School Cadet display. The contingent. Aduman Senior High School.
To your right and take up brothers.
It's a coordinate between GreatMinds and Aduman Senior High School. Cadets are here to praise the event or to honor the founder, Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah, Lilwin, Mr. President, the chairman of Wisi Empire, a country called Ghana. This is Aduman Senior High School Cadet display. Front. Cadet Commander Emmanuel RSM.
Thank you. Fact, let your one set like a pregnant woman. Kiss you and body.
Who I see is coming. My Senior High School Cadet has a coordinate with Great National School. The cadets
Good morning, sir. Aduman Senior High School, I'm a cadet parade former. Former for the GreatMinds International School annual speech, praise giving and graduation day. We have 20 men on square, the 3 officers and the cadets, and Aduman Senior High School Army Cadet Regimental Band in attendance. I, Parade 2 Ice, Obey Man report. Sir, we have your permission to carry on the parade. Great takeovers. Thank you, sir.
seeking for permission from the cadet commander, Osei Frederick. Commander from Aduman Senior High School. Aduman, me, it. High School,
Aduman Senior High School, GreatMinds International School.
Aduman Senior High School, Army Cadets. Consem Eshaho. No. The masters are here, so they have to do it well.
Good morning. Aduman Senior High School, Army Cadet Parade former for the GreatMinds International School annual speech and prize giving this. We have 20 men on squad, 4 officers at the Cardet, and Aduman Senior School Regimental Band in attendance. Sir, we have a permission for inspection, sir.
Director says permission granted.
Permission granted.
All right, someone. Director say permission
Granted by the director.
Yes.
Director says
Director
thank you, sir.
of GreatMinds International School, Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah, permitting the branches to move on. It's granted for them. Yes, you have to do this. All right, so director, yes, sir.
Director, can you please
for the inspection?
go and inspect them before?
Yes. If never late,
Director in
we will
command.
join them.
Director in command.
Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah,
Lilwin.
yes.
Director, Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin.
Okay. Director,
Yes.
for the inspection, Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah,
Yes.
accompanied by
Presidente.
Dr. Clement.
El Presidente. El Presidente. El Presidente. Presido.
Yes, sir. A penny for one count by any inspection, Madaroma. Madaroma.
With all due respect.
Yes. Madaroma.
California, with all due respect, don't punch him. You enjoy the director of your council away. Yes, for the inspection.
Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah away. Also with Dr. Clement for the inspection. Dr. Ambassador Clement. Accompanying Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah away for the inspection.
Yes, indeed. Man of the moment. El Presidente says permission granted.